Hi there, good morning. Are you aspiring to become a chartered accountant or cost accountant? So tell me one thing. To begin with, what are the key ingredients, resources required for a student to become a professional? Is it superior study material, textbooks, courseware? Or is it a professor who teaches conceptually and also balances the examination or exam orientation we call? Or is it the test prep or exam ready? Or is it the mentoring? So what exactly you want? Isn't it the answer for this question is all of the above? My name is Pavan Kumar. I am an FCA fellow chartered accountant, and I know that I am speaking with another FCA future chartered accountant. I am the chief mentor of CAP classes, wherein we provide all the above resources under one roof. It is a team of professionals to teach and to cater to the other relevant academic resources to the students who are pursuing chartered accountancy and cost accountancy courses. We give coaching to all the levels of chartered accountancy and we cover all the papers. We just do not sell the courses, we just do not teach. We help the student in learning the subject, understanding the concept, writing the exam with confidence, passing the exam, and we help the student to become a professional. And the best thing in CAP classes is you don't need to register for the full course or even for the full subject. If you want a specific topic, for example, you want only consolidated financial statements or you want only job costing, starting from 99 rupees you can buy academic recorded video lectures, and also you can download the courseware, handwritten notes and slides, flashcards, and you can learn at your convenience. So welcome to CAP classes, a one-stop digital solution for all your academic needs if you are studying chartered accountancy, cost accountancy.